Welcome to Mastering and Guideline in Ultrasound and Echo.
Hi everyone. In this group of lectures, I'm trying to give you some kind of the hands-on experience that daily you in the practice you deal with them and face with them, how to fix your images, what is the technique, tips, tricks, how to optimizing in each situation, what you are looking for, and how you have to approach those each cases. Now let's do the first one. Here imagine you are scanning apical window and you are going to try to get apical tree chamber. You get this view. You twist it clockwise and suddenly you get this one. Okay, based on these landmarks and view, you can see, first of all, is that correct apical tree or not? If not, what maneuver should be done to get it correct apical tree? Not moving around. What maneuver from this view exactly? If you do that specific maneuver, suddenly you will get very easy apical tree. What is that? And another one, do you see any artifact in this view? If yes, can you name them? Now, what about this case? Still your apical tree, you do, and you get this view. How you can fix it? And what is that this view has a specific name or not? What about this view? You are getting again apical tree, but you get this one. Is that correct apical tree or not, based on those landmark and whatever you know? And if it's not, how we can fix it and make it a correct apical tree? Now let's see how we fix those problems.